Alright, yes guys, welcome to the live stream. How's everyone doing? As of the moment, we've actually swept previous day low. We've also met every single objective that we said we were going to meet yesterday. So we filled that daily fair gap and we also went into that new week opening gap. So the objectives have been met. I would expect us to start accelerating out of this range higher. But yeah, going into this morning with a bullish bias. Right.
Order filled.
I'm now long off that, guys. Stop loss literally just below there. First TP is going to be at that high. And then we'll do final TP all the way up here. Oh my goodness. Right. Close free there.
Order filled.
Jesus. Jesus, guys. Alright, that is TP1 smashed, close 80%. TP1 smashed. Alright. Close 80%. And I move my stop to that swing low. Wow. What the hell just happened? $63 points secured. Boys, let's go. Let's get some W's in the chat. Who caught that? Oh my goodness, that went super quick. Super quick. Oh my god. Right, we're pushing up today, guys. We are pushing. See if we can get final TP. But yeah, I mean, at this point, I move my stop in at profit 2275. Let's go. See if we can get this final TP. This would be for over 96 handles. But yeah, you should be literally 80% out there, so I'm only holding one contract here. What a crazy trade. What a crazy trade. That's 81.75 handles with floating currently. Let's see. But yeah, if I were you guys, I'd be out 80% at least. Should be pretty much out of your position. Yeah. I'll move my stops in a profit, huge profit. 26.6.
Order
Alright, cool, we
filled.
got taken out there. No worries, guys. 81.75 handles fucking secured. Let's go. What a trade. What a trade. Lovely stuff. I'm gonna trade. Come on. I'm 600 away from passing my 550Ks. Let's go. Do you always want to see a gap on ES2, Ben? I got a sim long on the first gap for 100 points. Yes. So, I mean, this was a valid entry. However, there's no gap on ES. So it just makes it less probable. Okay. I always want to see a fair value gap on ES because it's the main mover in indices market. So if I'm trading ES and there's no gap here, I would not really be entering. So why I'm going to enter on NQ. But yeah, always wait for a gap on ES. 100%. But yeah, let's quickly break this trade down, guys. I had a bullish bias going into the morning just simply because we were on that daily time frame. We already came down into new week opening gap. We came down into the daily fair value gap, and there's no reason for us to head lower. To add to that, we came down, we swept previous daily low. Right, that's a sweep of liquidity. You shouldn't really be looking for shorts there. Okay, once we sweep previous daily low and we've tapped into new week opening gap, we've tapped into the daily fair value gap, everything to me is screaming bullish. Okay, we're also below midnight open and 8:30 open. This is a very, very bullish setup. Alright, we get that displacement higher, you enter off the fair value gap, we have got a market structure shift as well. Target the opposing liquidity, 63 handles, you should close out around 80% there. So, I mean, most people just close fully there. So that's a 1 to 2.5 risk to reward ratio. But other than that, guys, I'm going to call it here. Okay, hope you lot enjoyed the stream. Hope you lot secured some profits. And I'll see you lot in tomorrow's live trading session.